Yo, what's going on, Domination Crew? It's Rico, and today we're going to be talking about why free traffic is always better than paid traffic.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives.
So guys, if you're new, welcome to the channel. My name is Rico. Me and my partner Dan, we talk all about that Amazon goodness, you know, e-commerce in general, eBay, Shopify, that type of stuff. If you like that type of content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and get into the free Facebook group below where we handle all of your Amazon questions, baby. I'll love them. So for you guys that are regulars, you already know what time it is. Let's get into it. So why is free traffic better than paid traffic? I mean, other than the fact that it's free, it's free. Like, nothing's better than free.
It's free. Real estate.
We're giving you land.
It's free.
We're giving you a house.
It's real estate. Free.
But with that let's put this caveat out there. Paid traffic is better in one aspect, and it can be targeted and very directed. Okay, so that's where paid traffic will trump. I'm not talking about Donald Trump either. I'm just talking about paid traffic will trump free traffic in that regard. So why would you want free traffic? Okay, so it allows you to free up your budget for other things. So when you build a Shopify store, right? You guys build a Shopify store, you got it all nice looking, all sexified, logos popping, products are popping, product description is good, meta tags are done, SEO optimized, everything is on point. Now you guys are sitting there, you're like, man, what do I do? Got to pay for traffic, right? It's gonna drain your budget. You know, you're going to spend a lot of money testing products. You're going to spend a lot of money hoping that your products sell. You're going to spend a lot of money trying to just drive people there so that way you can pump up your pixel data, your Google Analytics data, so that way you can retarget and do all these things, right? It really takes away from the selling experience. Now with free traffic like you have with Amazon, it allows you to focus on selling. Okay, when you're driving paid traffic, as far, you know, like with a Shopify store, you're not necessarily just focused on selling. You're focused on every different aspect of I guess, the business, quote unquote, because most people who do Shopify stores don't really build a business, don't really build a brand, just build a website. You know, you're focused on all these other things. You're not really focused on the experience for the customer. You're not really focused on the products, you know, the product descriptions. You're just focused on trying to get traffic there and fix what isn't working when that traffic isn't buying. With Amazon or even eBay, you guys don't have to worry about any of that. Our students don't worry about any of that. We don't worry about any of that. We focused on the user experience. You know, mine is when you have your registered brand on Amazon, you know, you get your website within a website. So that's for future reference for you guys. But, you know, you're going to be worrying about the user experience. You're going to be worrying about, you know, the customer experience, you know, the sales experience, going from, you know, them purchasing to the end where, you know, you may be sending follow-up emails, checking on them, sending them discount codes, you know, for like 15% off. Seeing, you know, if they want to leave an honest review. You know, you're going to be worried about doing the product research. You're going to be worried about expanding your product line, all that stuff, right? You're going to be worried about, you know, doing custom packaging for your FBA products. You know, it allows you the freedom to focus on other aspects of the business. It allows you to be creative when you're not spending money and time, you know, with paid traffic.
Oh, I'm so happy! I'm so happy! This is the best day of my life!
All right, and that's where people, you know, get it wrong. They think that paid traffic is the answer to all their problems. It's the answer to their prayers. Oh, sweet Jeebus. Oh, that paid traffic. Hallelujahs. No, paid traffic is not going to be the answer. Okay, learning how to sell is the answer. Learning how to build a brand and scale a business is the answer. And doing that for free is a much better way at learning the ropes, because you're not worried about all the outside influences. You're not worried about all these people that may or may not be buying. All you're focused on is strictly the business, the products, making that stuff work. You know, that's why we love Amazon as a platform for beginners, because it's very simplistic. It's very easy. Amazon does over 50% of online retail sales. 50%, that's a lot, guys. That's 50% of the people browsing the interwebs who wants to buy stuff, buying it on Amazon. That gives you tons, millions, even millions of potential customers for absolutely free. Free. It doesn't get any better than that. Whereas with Shopify, you may only have access to thousands or hundreds of thousands at, at most for certain products. You could have a couple thousand or a couple million. A couple million is always going to trump out, especially if it's done for free, which frees up capital to do other things, okay? That's where you guys are getting this like disconnect. You guys are thinking that paid traffic is going to be greatest. Now, paid traffic, like I said, just allows for more specific targeting. So if you have a very, very, very niche product that may not do well on a platform like Amazon or eBay, that's when having a Shopify store will trump out, and you can target, that traffic and drive sales that way. But more often than not, most people don't have those very, very niche products, and they can sell them on Amazon or eBay, preferably Amazon, because there's more traffic, and there you go. Now you get sales, and then that increases your sales rank. So now you get even more sales organically. And then once you see your sales start stagnating, where you're doing, $1,000, $2,000 a day or whatever it is, then you're running PPC. Then you can, pay for traffic. And with the Amazon platform, it's very targeted. Same thing with, paying for Facebook ads or Google ads, for your specific Shopify product. So guys, that's it. That's why free traffic is always going to trump paid traffic. All right. So you guys already know it's the holiday season. Be safe, be smart. Please don't get yourselves in trouble, because, like I say, man, it's cuffing season. People want to stay warm. You want to get close to your loved one. You got to snuggle up. Yo, stay to yourself, all right? Stay safe.